Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a payment method on eBay in just a few simple steps. Click the My eBay menu at the top of the page and select Summary from the drop-down. The drop-down shows several account sections: Summary, Recently Viewed, Bids and Offers, Purchase History, and Selling. The Account Summary page loads with an overview of your recent activity. Click the Account tab to open the account settings. On the Account Settings page, click the Payments link to manage payment methods. This opens the section where all your saved cards and bank accounts are stored. The Payments page opens showing current payment methods and any default selections. Click the Add Cards and Accounts button to add a new one. A window appears asking where you want to use this payment method. You'll see options for Checkout, Automatic Payments, or both. For this example, select Checkout, then click Continue. The Payment Details form loads with fields for card information and billing details. Click into the card number field and type in the 16-digit card number without spaces or dashes. Move to the Expiration Date field and enter the card expiry date in month/year format, exactly as it appears on your card. Type the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. This code confirms you have the physical card. Enter the first name in the first name field, matching the name exactly as it appears on the card. Type the last name in the last name field, then click the Add button at the bottom. Your card details are sent for verification. eBay verifies the card details with the bank to confirm the information is valid. If verification fails, an error message appears. Check the details are correct and that the card is active and not expired. If you get a verification error, double-check the card number, expiry date, and security code match exactly what's on the card. Even one wrong digit will cause it to fail. The name fields should match the name on the card as well. The card can't be expired and should have available credit. You can add multiple payment methods and set one as your primary option in the Payments page. If you want to update or remove a card later, come back to Account Settings, then Payments, and all the saved methods will be listed there. And that's how to add a payment method on eBay. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.